At the start of a new week, hello there, and many thanks for your time on the Marigo Business News. My name is Diana Bobi. Now, Monetary Policy Committee meeting held by Governor of Bank of Ghana, Dr. Asiama, has emphasized the importance of transparency and deliberation of the committee. He urged members to engage in open discussion to foster public trust in the institution decisions and policy. During the meeting, Mr. Asiama explained that the central bank plays a crucial role in maintaining economic stability and that public confidence is vital for the effectiveness of the monetary policies.
Deliberations, let me reflect briefly on two institutional areas which I believe we can further strengthen going forward. And that's to do with the transparency of our decision-making guidance as a committee. Colleagues, there's a growing sense in public commentary, and I'm sure the media here will confirm that the MPC decisions that we take, that these are taken behind closed doors without clear data-driven reasoning. This is the impression out there. And so therefore, to counter this, as chairman, colleagues, I'm proposing that we implement mechanisms to make the committee's decision factors more accessible. We need to explain the issues better to the public, whether this means publishing the voting outcomes of members or enhancing the narrative content of our policy statements. Similarly, colleagues, we need to work on simplifying the way we present our forecasts so that the public and market participants can better understand the underlying policy story. These changes, colleagues, in my view, will strengthen our credibility and will deepen trust in the policy framework.
And also, the Tama Oil Refinery is actively seeking significant capital injection as part of its strategic plan for revitalization. Managing Director of the refinery, Dr. Yusuf Suleimana, outlined this initiative during a recent press conference, emphasizing the need for modernization and expansion of the refinery infrastructure. Dr. Suleimana explained that the strategic plan not only focused on the capital investment, but also include the exploration of contracting a new refinery.
Minimum of 20 to 25 million US dollars. We can get the CDU back, and which all we are working on. So we're working on, apart from the strategic investor, we're also working on local sources of potential funding. If we are able to get that, we're going to start business. But I'm saying that if you watch outside here, you see so many number of trucks. That shows that Tor is still in business. But if you have the core business coming, I think that will be phenomenal. That will create a lot of job opportunity for the teaming youth. There's no any engineering that you not find here. And oil and gas industry side that it's not only engineering. Talk about even media men, talk about accountant, talk about lawyers. Everybody has a role to play. So that's the beauty of revitalizing the oil and gas industry. So yes, we are working on investors. We are getting to conclude on who we're going to settle on, and when that is done, we can give clear timelines on when we're going to be able to come back to start refining the first oil. The downstream controls like 8% of Ghana's GDP. So if, let's say, we're able to bring Tor back to full capacity, to be able to churn our product of high quality, that can give us like, let's say, 100,000 barrels of oil per stream day. Tor is going to contribute to like 8% of Ghana's GDP. That's what it means. So that's the opportunity that we have missed. And that's what we have resolved to do, to bring back the glory days, the crown jewel status. As to when that's going to come, yes, you're right. The refinery has been down for some time, considerable period of time. It hadn't seen any activity. So we need revamping. And revamping means that we need the capital and then the state-of-art technology. For state-of-art technology, I can guarantee you that we have the men here that can do the job. But we will need a private sector player, a credible private sector player to participate into the space.
Meanwhile, Dr. Yusuf Suleimana revealed that TOR would need some upgrade, requiring building a new refinery.
And that'll be all for business. My name is Dinah Bobi. Handing over to Gladys Affidate, the data for entertainment.
Fly away.